Hello and welcome to Something Creative with Kleina. Today we are going to create a bottle lamp or a photo bottle. Before taking the print out, measure the surface of the bottle so it fits well. Take a printout of the desired photo on a A4 size paper. Here I have also cut another A4 size paper to protect the photograph, and I'm going to stick it using masking tape, creating a neat border. First, stick the photograph using Mod Podge or a mixture of Fevicol and glue. While sticking the photograph, make sure to remove any air bubbles. Taking a printout on a paper increases the shelf life of the photograph, and as it is thin, it makes it more easier to stick on any surface. Now let's stick masking tape on the border of the A4 size paper and keeping the borders of same size on all four sides. Now let's apply a mixture of water and glue on the surface of the bottle. Work on small portions because we need to apply or stick glitter on top of the glue, and if the glue dries, it will be difficult to stick the glitter. Now it's time to add some glitter. Working with glitter could be a little messy, so be sure or take care to cover your work surface well, otherwise it will be glitter all over the place. After sprinkling glitter, make sure to tap it so that any excess glitter will fall off. If you are working with glitter and you have kids around, it's so difficult to stop them because they go crazy when they see glitter, and it was really difficult. My daughter was like, she was applying it on her hands and she was sprinkling and whatnot. Glitter just takes your work to a next level and it adds all the required bling to your work. After you work with the glitter, leave it to dry around 5 hours before you go to the next step. It's been 5 hours. So now let's peel off the A4 size paper carefully. So here you can see that the photo is protected well, and the masking tape has created a beautiful border. So when we add lights, it will be visible from there. These are sticker golden half cut beads. They have self-adhesive on them and it's very user friendly, as you can remove the whole strip and attach it directly. So I'm going to create a cute border sticking the golden beads. Now we need to apply 1 coat of Mod Podge or Fevicol mix on top of the glitter and photo to seal it. After it's dried completely, you can also use 1 coat of varnish. It will make it waterproof, giving a natural shine, and your work will last long. It's my parents' anniversary, so I'm writing happy anniversary and to the best parents. If it's for your brother, sister, husband, wife, boyfriend or girlfriend, just change the wordings accordingly. Here I'm using Fevicryl Pearl Metallic Silver 3D outliner. It can be used on fabric and multi-surface. It gives a good 3D effect. When you give a custom-made gift, you can add a lot of personal touch to it. You can design it as per your choice, add photos or text. It's the way to express your feelings. It's also a good platform to show your creativity. Let's add some golden hearts using fabric glue and some self-adhesive hearts at the bottom. This is a satin pull bow used for gift wrapping. I'm going to tie it at the mouth of the bottle and at the rear end also. I will create a small bow and decorate it with self-adhesive glitter heart. Isn't it looking beautiful already? But the magical touch or the beauty will enhance once you add the lights. This is a wine bottle cork LED light. It has 20 LED lights. They are available in white and multicolors, and I got a multicolor for my photo bottle lamp. It comes in the shape of a wine bottle cork, hence it got its name. The lights are attached to a flexible wire which can be placed inside the bottle, and the cork sits perfectly on the mouth of the bottle from where you can operate the light. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. This is how it looks during the day, and when you switch off the lights, wow, isn't it mesmerizing?
Happy anniversary, Mommy Daddy.
Thank you, thank you. This.
So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.